Good morning everyone. How are we all? I hope that you're all okay, and I hope that you're enjoying this lovely weather that we're having. To all the family members and subscribers, thank you for being here. I appreciate you all. Please keep the comments coming. Hit that like button and the channel will grow. Right folks, another taste test today. Just for a change. Just need to get something. Excuse me for 1 second. Because I forgot. Right, I'm back. What I'm going to have today, folks, is spicy Surimi California rolls. Raku. Spicy Surimi California rolls contains hot chili mayo infused salami, avocado rolls coated in a sesame with sweet teriyaki sauce and crispy onions. The ingredients: cooked rice, sugar, spirit vinegar, rice vinegar, salt, rapeseed oil, fructose, glucose syrup, cane molasses, avocado, surimi, reconstituted pasteurized free-range egg, wheat starch, rapeseed oil, pea starch, soya protein, contains crustaceans. Your allergy warnings in this are for soya, wheat and crustacean and fish. So, these are £2.99 from Lidl. So let us have a look. There we get some crispy onions and the mayo to go on them. And then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what I've also got, I want to try, because it says it's perfect with sushi. This is Wasabi Salt. It's 200 grams and this is, I think it's £1.19. That's from Farmfoods. Right, let's put the sauce on. And there we go folks. Add the crispy onions. Plenty of them to be going at. We'll try one first without the wasabi salt. No point blowing it because it's cold. That's really nice, you know. Cool, refreshing. The rice is perfect. The surimi, see that cat then? Where did that come from? Surimi is very nice. the avocado, everything about it is perfect, to be fair. Very, very tasty indeed. Right, we'll try some with the wasabi salt. And we'll see what that one's like. That's quite nice. It has a sweetness to it, and it's quite mild for wasabi. What about blasting your palate into oblivion, it says. But yeah, that's nice. Got heat, sweetness and saltiness. The Surimi California rolls is absolutely brilliant. I know I should be eating them with chopsticks. But I'm hopeless with chopsticks. Yeah, these are just so refreshingly nice. The crispy onions had a very flavourful crunch. Nothing not to like about this for me personally. I'd definitely buy it again. I'm going to score the California rolls 10 out of 10. The wasabi salt. It's definitely worth a go. If you like salty sweet things, it's only got a very mild heat, so it's not going to blow your socks off. I'll score that one 8 out of 10. So 10 and 8, that's right. Right folks, I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. If you have, please hit that like button, leave a comment in the box below, hit the bell icon for any future uploads, and above all, if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. It won't cost you a penny, helps the channel grow, and we become part of that bigger community. So, as always, I will say to you all, Namaste. Have an absolutely amazing Sunday, everyone. I'm hoping that the sun shines again today. Bye for now.